Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I got the steering shaft in place here and just got one little tack weld on it, and I plan on putting another bearing here to support it, but it goes through there. That's the only thing I can do. You know, NHRA don't like holes in the engine plate, but I'm gonna call it a cooling hole. I don't know. So that's the only thing I can do. Alright, and then on the inside, on the inside, we're going to, at the bottom down there, put a U-joint and have the shaft come up, and with the roll cage in here, there'll be a bar and we'll mount the wheel up there. Now I got a temporary steering wheel, and I don't have the bump steer tight on the rack and pinion. Now this rack and pinion is a 15-to-1. The stock ratio is 20. I maybe made a mistake by getting a close ratio one, but either way, let's see, the wheels turn, and that's all that really matters. Okay, so like I said, the garage is a mess. I just took some of the weight off the front end so it'll be a little easier to turn, but it turns with the weight on there, just for the video. Okay, that's all for today. We're out.